Mane grounding sali.
Hayi mara bolweni kumnandi guys ngifuna ukungasho shame. And mina ningamboni nimbheke bese nitsaye lo baba lo mdala ugugile mfana base grounding ngathi i2K. 2K straight. Please introduce yourself to our viewers with your name, your surname, ne team abakade uyidlalela today.
Sanibonani Street Talk angish.
Speak and Frostan.
Yeah. Uchunglilo, DJ Chungle.
Oh, DJ Chungle.
Yeah. Like ngama straight. Yeah. Engine number is 7. 7 za uchungle.
Chungle.
Yeah.
Alright.
Chungle the Chungstar. Okay, wafethu besenzi charity. Ngidlalile lana kutshala mali. Unfortunately we lost 4-0. But Gushap. Yabo. But now they are playing losers finally. Baguma penalty match. The purpose of the day it was ukuthi senze i-charity kwabanye abantwana babishap. Yabona ma. Then actually excuse ukuphuza utshwala. As much as nathi sinalento ukuthi hayi ngoba singeni siphuza utshwala. Yebo ma
Okay, so tell us about the game yakho yanamhlanje. Mawubhekile wena as an individual ne team yakho ni perform kanjani?
Mina as an individual kabashita they let me down. The way ngilithanda kakhona ibhola. Bashita bangiphasanga. I was playing number 9 but abangiphasanga. I had to drop deep ngiyozilandela amabhola. Ngenge 1-2 but unfortunately I didn't even hit a strike who goalkeeper. But number 9.
Amachita, please, teamwork, and spaselaneni bola, please, man. Okay, so when I'm ubhekile le initiative le yonke isiza kanjani umphakathi?
This initiative ne game because we donating to such school angisazi na. Yabo, yeah, company say isikole sinje everybody ungena ngekawusi eligrey. If I know because it is 20 rand, we're trying to help laba abangakhoni. Uyabona manje. Siyaphuza such event kumele zibe khona timeless labo ukuthi kancane siloko siyabuild lezi zinto lezi.
Alright. Okay. So angisho manje uyalibukela ibhola vele like as a whole, right? So mawubhekile yimapha ama player mhlambe noma unganginemela i2 noma i3 angekho ku squad ongathanda wena personally ukuthi babe khona ku squad.
Angekho ku squad.
Yeah, sebafana bafana.
You know if I be honest ne goalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs deserve to be there.
Peterson.
Yeah, Peterson deserve to be there. Yeah, goalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs. The rest sangamana Enzo Hugo.
Okay. Yeah. Wena nje ukhala ngo goalkeeper wa ku Kaizer Chiefs.
In 5 Perez is the ref. Yeah. Mara Peterson deserve to be there. Deserve to be there.
Right.
The umuntu isocha uyalwa. Deserve to be there.
Ulochi.
Oh, ekalochi nzima ngoba it's political. Uyabona manje. Ulochi kahle. Ulochi is bigger than abo Mfukeng, abo Thembazwane. Ulochi is bigger than that. Uyabona manje. But Hugo busy umvalela ngaphandle. Yabo asazi babangani but Lodge best player enhle ngathini it's the best attacking esinayo le South Africa kwamanje. Yeah, Lodge deserve to be there.
Okay.
So bangane uzwana kabi fit and iminyaka hambile. Hey, give Lodge iplace yakhe ahamba ayodlala lapho Lodge. Phela nje Mfukeng learn from the best. Phela nje.
No hard feelings or anything ne but elikhona ku squad ongathanda ukuthi wena balikhiphe.
Engathanda ukuthi balikhiphe. I'll go for Umakhopa Pirates. Ngifuna Pirates.
Okay.
Makhopa doesn't deserve to win the national team.
Why do you say that?
The way adlala ngakhona. Yeah. Maybe isuswa structure ska Hugo, yabo. But rather than that, Reynas deserve to be there, not Makhopa. Uyabona man.
No, very well heard. Yabo opinion yakho izwakele, you know.